Fiji and welcome to Suva.
Thank you, sir.
Please, gentlemen.
Thank you.
Yay. Pulang.
Not really can say they postpone because of
Postpone,
the
sorry.
number of our delegation too big.
Oh,
So because I went to Papua first, this is vice governor.
yes.
We had 2 days trip over there, basically to synchronize all the development program over there. See, so then I spoke to the Minister of Trade. Then they're going to send their own delegation to visit Fiji. No, yeah, not Fiji, and also I think Vanuatu.
Oh, okay.
Yes, I think soon. Might be, first of all, if I may extend our condolences on the hurricane last February, and my president asked me to extend also.
Thank you, General.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, General. On behalf of the people of Fiji, let me again thank you through you, the government of Indonesia, for this wonderful donation, and of course your friendship through the many years. But I thank you for this donation, and I know it will go a long way towards helping those that were affected in the
Thank you, sir.
in the aftermath of Winston.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Extensive, yeah. Office from my ministry, is coordinating minister for the political, legal, and security affairs.
Thank you, General.
Finisi.
Very nice.
Finisi meanings, then we can sail anywhere. That's why you can look at so many Indonesian like in Africa, in South Africa, yeah? South Africa. This is a Finisi. Thank you.
This is a tano. This is what we mixed our local drink in.
Minuman yang
Local drinking, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
akar akara.
Oh, okay.
Buat minum.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much. Excellency.
Thank you, General.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah.